What will it cost me to set up a 72T distribution? There are many different investment options that we can discuss with you, and there are 3 steps that we take in this process. Number 1, we need to become familiar with you and your situation, as well as your goals and objectives. Number 2, we need to determine the correct payment method and amount to take as part of your 72T, as well as how to properly structure your accounts based on your unique situation. And last, we then create, implement, and execute a suitable and sustainable early retirement game plan. If we are managing the account and payments for you, there is no additional fee for us to work on this for you. Some people approach us looking for the 72T calculation and investment advice, but prefer to manage the money themselves in their existing accounts. We suggest that people get professional, competent advice if they plan on starting a 72T series of equal periodic payments. This is not a do-it-yourself project for many reasons. Please ask us about our no-fee, no-risk option, which can be used as part of a properly structured 72T income plan. We can help you. If you would like help properly structuring your early retirement, please contact us today. Thank you.